Well, I tell you, I've been looking at them for a long time, a lot of these boats, and I just thought the quality, the appearance, and it's a unique little boat, and just kind of fits what I'm looking to do and my personality, and looking forward to it.
We just bought a 197 Venture from Barrier Island Marine about 2 months ago from Brad. We love it. It's a great boat. We did a lot of looking around at different boats, thinking about what kind of boat we wanted. We do a lot of like island hopping in the summer, so we go to Morris Island and out to Capers and over to Kiowa.
I've heard nothing but great things about Barrier Island from a couple friends that bought boats over there over the years, and people treated me very well. Got a great selection of boats, and I feel like I made a good decision.
We love Pioneer. We love the way they're built. We love the way the fit and finish on these boats is just, the best. And we felt that 197 Venture was a perfect fit for our family.
Get out there on the water, make it happen.